Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll teach you how to block someone on Threads. This process is the equal for iOS and Android devices. So let's get started. At first, just open your Threads and choose the account which you want to block. Open his or her account. In this case, I'll choose the random person. Tap on the three dots in the right corner and choose block. They won't be able to message you and find your profile. You can unblock them anytime. To unblock it, just do this process again. Tap on unblock. I hope that this video was so useful for you. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel.